Alright, so check this out. So as you guys can see over here, this is a clothing store right here. And for this shop, right, they're actually making 57,000 sales. Alright, they made this amount already. And better yet, the revenue is 1.6 million, right? $1.6 million. If you want to talk about profit, right, to be safe, it's kind of like 20% or 30% around there. And where they are selling their products is that they're selling at Etsy, right? Etsy, E-T-S-Y, Etsy, everyone's favorite platform. This particular t-shirt over here has made upwards of $215,000 worth of revenue. And monthly revenue, it has brought in like $31,000. Crazy numbers. In a month, right, they've made like 1,000 sales right here. It's crazy, guys. So just one t-shirt alone, right, they managed to hit $215,000 worth of revenue. Think about it, man. Think about it. It's crazy. Just one t-shirt. Just one t-shirt and one design. And the design, 3 raccoons vintage graphic t-shirts. Retro raccoon moon t-shirt. Right? It's crazy. I will show you guys how you guys can actually do something similar to this. Alright, so over here, right, we are at the summer t-shirt side of things. So currently right now, right, at the time of filming, it's kind of like summer period. So obviously, people will be buying summer related clothings for the most part. So summer t-shirt over here is one of the big things. As you guys can see over here as well, for this particular t-shirt, 52,000 worth of revenue, and in a month, it has made like almost $9,000. Crazy amount. For the sake of this tutorial, for the sake of this example, I'm gonna go with this t-shirt right here. Alright, this particular one. So as you guys can see right here, they've made like $728 worth of revenue. But why I choose this t-shirt is because over here, right, you can see as well. So this is a t-shirt that I was talking about. It is popular now. Popular right now. Right, it's like trending right now. So there's a lot of people that is buying or eyeing on this particular design. As you can see over here as well, there are a lot of different kind of t-shirts, different kind of designs, all kinds of designs that is related to the whole summer theme. So as you guys can see over here as well, there's like the bestseller over here, and then there's a popular now, bestseller, Etsy's pick, you know, all those good stuff. So there's a lot of credibility and a lot of trustworthiness over here. For the sake of this example, like I said, I'm going to go with this t-shirt right here. And for good reason, right? In 20 plus baskets. So basically it's like 20 plus ATCs, right? Add to carts over here. So it's really promising. It's a good sign that most people are actually eyeing on this product right now as we speak. And for this particular design, there is like 34 reviews as well. But then again though, don't forget, not everybody actually leaves a review every time they purchase something, right? I'm guilty of it. So it could be more. It could be hundreds. It could even be in 500s. We never know. We just never know. And it's a bestseller. So in Etsy, one of the beauty of it is that they really capitalize on the whole trendy side of things, like seasons as well, holidays as well. So those things that are in big demand during those seasons or holidays, most of the time, they're actually like designs that is really in demand in Etsy. So if you guys can quickly come up with a design, right, and then paste it on a t-shirt, sell it, hey man, you're gonna be able to make good profit, right? Just like all of these numbers that I've shown you guys earlier on. Alright, so enough talking, right? Enough talking. You guys want to know how to create these designs. How do you get started with it, right? That's the whole point. Alright, so I'm going to get into it right now. So personally for me, what I use is this website which is called Kittl, right here. So Kittl, Kittl, I guess that is how it's being pronounced. So as you guys can see over here as well, there's a lot of different kind of templates right here. T-shirts, logos, hoodies and sweatshirts, bags, art prints, hats, mugs, posters, wallpapers, cards, stickers, labels and all those other good stuff, right? So over here, right, for this particular website, by the way, it's not being sponsored. I wish I am, but no, it's just something that I use myself. So over here, I've already searched right here, summer, right? So all of these designs are for the t-shirt section right here. So what I do is that I click on any design over here, which I think is nice, that I think it stands a chance to make good money on Etsy. So what I normally do is I will choose any design right here, and then I will change the words over here, right? I'll change it to something that is related to the trendy products. Yeah, so that's normally what I do when I sell my print-on-demand clothes. Alright, so for the sake of this example, I've already went ahead to do a design. So this is the design that I've came up with. Happiness comes in waves, right? Really summer-like. I just simply changed the words over here. But this overall design, these waves, this guy surfing, this sunset, these flowers and all of these trees, right? It's part of the template. So the good thing about Keto is that they have all of these ready-made templates that is ready for you guys to just simply edit your stuff and then just simply use it and sell designs on Etsy. Alright, so after you are done designing, right, simply just download over here. Okay, then after we have the design, right, obviously we need a supplier, right? We need the t-shirts. We're not going to be the ones doing the entire printing and shipping for the entire process. We're going to be using a supplier who is Printify right here. So I use Printify myself as well, and I think it's pretty good, right? They give a good service. They have a lot of products as well. They don't only have t-shirts, they have a lot of different kind of products as well. So as you guys can see right here as well, they have like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, food, health, beauty, accessories, home and living, and there's like a lot of different stuff. A lot of stuff. So if you guys want to sell any of these items, right, you guys can just go ahead and then just put your design simply, and that's it. You guys can start making money online selling products which you don't even need to own, right? So it's basically print on demand, POD. Alright, so coming back here, right, to the original Etsy design, we can see over here that this person, right, this particular listing, they're actually using this Comfort Colors 1717 garment dyed t-shirt, right? Keep in mind. And then over here as well, same thing, Comfort Colors 1717 garment dyed t-shirt. So safe to say, right? Safe to say they're using this particular product as well in order to fulfill their orders. Alright, so over here, just give it a quick click, and then we're over here, and then we can just simply start designing. Alright, so we are in. Alright, so this is the designing section. So basically, what we can do is that we can just go to the back side over here of the t-shirt. And as you guys can see right over here, the listing alone, right, I believe they only have design for the back. Yeah, they only have designs for the back, which is this entire design, Find Me Under the Palms, right? Real vibey. So they don't really have any front design. So I believe their front side of design, right, is just plain. Yeah, just straight up plain color. That's it. They only have design for the back. So we're gonna mimic them. So over here at Printify, we can simply just upload the design that we have downloaded from Keto earlier on and just paste it over here and we'll be good to go. Alright, so if you want to upload the design, simply go over here, the top left corner over here, upload, and hit my device. Boom! That's right. So my design has been uploaded right here. Exactly the one that I showed you guys earlier on from the Keto side of things. And we can even add the different colors over here as well. So back over here, you can see there are colors, right? Select an option. You can see over here, there is a white, island reef, blue jean, what is this? Chambray, seafoam, grey ivory, terracotta, washed denim, watermelon. So let's find one of it, which is island reef over here. Alright, so we have the color section right here. So we can go ahead and see right over here, island reef, there's one. So it further proves that they are actually using this particular product right here in order to fulfill their orders, like I said. So give it a click right here. Exactly the same color, right, as the listing at the Etsy. And then the other one would be this terracotta as well. Same thing, same thing. What other colors do they have? Blue jean and chambray. Let's see. Blue jean. Where is blue jean? Oh, right here. Blue jean, right here. Blue jean, that's right. And chambray. That's right. That's it. That's it, guys. So over here, right, once you guys are done, you guys can just go ahead and save the product right here. And then you guys can just simply link this product from Printify, link it towards the Etsy side of things. Obviously, you guys will need an account, right? You guys have to create a Printify account, and you guys have to create your Etsy account as well. And then you guys just sync together. And then whatever you have designed at the Printify, right, it will show up in the Etsy side of things. Yeah, it's very, very seamless. It's very, very easy. It's very, very convenient as well. Okay, so as you guys can see, right, this is the exact product that this particular product is using as well, right? And they're making good money, right? They're making good money. They're already starting to make money already. Alright, so if you guys want to start making money selling, t-shirt designs or maybe not even t-shirt, right? You can even sell like mugs. As you guys can see over here, right, there's a lot of different kind of products that you guys can actually sell, right? Whatever form of designs that you come up with, right, just simply choose one of the products over here that you want to sell in, and then just paste your design. Then that's it. Simple as that. Oh, by the way, if you guys want a free course, right, as to how you guys can start making money online, doing what you love and enjoy, click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll give you guys a free course as to how you guys can get started doing that.